Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Postgres on our system. Postgres is a free and open source relation database management system. It provides enterprise level services including performance, unique features, and scalability. To install Postgres on server on a Ubuntu system, we need to use command sudo apt-get install PostgreSQL 11 and just hit enter and your system password. There's a mistake over here. There's a double S. Let's go do this. And you need to enter Y for yes. And the server is installed for us. Now I'm going to install a client to interact with our server. The command for that is sudo apt-get install postgres client 11 and the standard. And the client is also installed for us, and I'm just gonna clear the screen and install another powerful front-end graphical user interface tool, PGAdmin 4, which is used for Postgres administration and development, and it is easy to use. To install that one, we need to use command sudo apt-get install PGAdmin 4 and hit enter for that. To check the installation, we can grab the Postgres process by typing grab, I'll say, and Postgres. This is grab and hit enter. Grab, I'm making a mistake. And you can see these output over. It shows different process and utilities running. So this way you can install Postgres database server and client on your system. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.